So we have a formula to find a specific term, that is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. We call it also the general rule for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Right? Okay. So a sub n is the term to be found. A sub 1 is the first term. N is the number of terms. And D is the common difference. It is important that you need to memorize this formula. Example, given the sequence 8, 5, 2, -1, and so on, find the 41st term. So first, you need to identify the given. So identify a sub 1, identify n, identify the value of t, so that we can find now the value of a sub 41. So what is the value of a sub 1? The value of a sub 1 is 8. And the value of n is 41. And the value of d, okay, again, we can get the difference by subtracting two consecutive terms, a sub 2 minus a sub 1. So 5 minus 8 is -3. So that is our common difference. Now, we need to find the value of a sub 41 or the 41st term. Using the general rule, we have a sub 41 is equal to 8, which is the value of a sub 1, plus 40. How did we get 40? Okay, 40 is from n minus 1. Substitute the value of n, which is 41, minus 1 is equal to 40. Then, multiply the value of the common difference, which is -3. And the value of a sub 41 is -112. So how did we get the value of the 41st term? 40 times -3 is -120, plus 8, that is -112. Find the 15th term of the sequence 6, 3, 0, and so on. Okay, so what is the value of the first term? The first term is 6. And what is the value of the common difference? 3, which is a sub 2, minus 6, which is a sub 1, is -3. And what is the value of n? The value of n is 15. Using the general rule, substitute the given values. A sub 15 is equal to a sub 1, which is 6, plus 14 times -3. Okay, where did we get 14? 14 is from n minus 1. Substitute the value of n, which is 15. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14, times the value of the common difference, which is -3. So 6 plus 14 times -3 is equal to -36. 14 times -3 is -42, plus 6, that is equal to -36. Another example, in an arithmetic sequence, a sub 1 is equal to 2 and d is equal to 3, find a sub 10 or the 10th term. So what is the first term? The first term is 2. And what is the common difference? 3. And what is n? N is the subscript of a sub 10. The subscript here, that is 10. That is the value of n. That is the total number of terms, 10. Using the general rule to find a sub 10, the value of a sub 10, substitute the given values. For a sub 1, the value is 2. Then for n, the value of n is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 times the value of the common difference, which is 3. So we have 2 plus 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 2 is 29.